Today we're at Broomhead Reservoir in South Yorkshire. Behind me is Ewden Beck, which rises on the moors of the Peak District and then flows down through the River Don through Sheffield and Doncaster. As you can see, Ewden Beck is a beautiful, healthy looking river. But unfortunately there's a problem. Through a project involving Yorkshire Water, the Environment Agency, the local Rivers Trust and the Hull International Fisheries Institute, we found that there are wild brown trout present in the reservoir downstream. Now, ideally these fish need to come up this beck to spawn to reproduce. However, there was an old weir just here that was blocking their access. So last week we removed that obstacle by moving large boulders in the channel to create low flow channels so fish can access at all times. We'll monitor fish populations and we expect to see greatly improved populations in both the beck and the reservoir.
The Environment Agency is really pleased to be working with Yorkshire Water as they're seeking to operate their reservoirs in a manner which is sensitive to the surrounding ecology. For this particular project, what we've been doing is identifying the barriers to fish migration, such as this one used to be. As the young fish get washed down the river into the reservoir, the adult fish, after they've grown there for a while, are going to want to go back and spawn. These barriers will stop them doing that. So once we've identified the barriers, we can work with Yorkshire Water and work out a solution. Here the solution was quite simple, moving some boulders to create a low flow channel. For other barriers it's going to be a little more complicated. We look forward to working with Yorkshire Water over the coming years as they tackle these.
So this is the first scheme of a £3 million programme of fish patch improvements across the region. This will deliver major environmental improvements under the Water Framework Directive. So projects such as these, working in partnership with the Environment Agency and other trusts, will ensure that we protect and enhance our precious native fish species, starting with the wild brown trout.